Welcome engineers and my YouTube channels. Engineers, we can discuss about in that video how to calculate slope and roads by the auto levels. Now you can see that first of all you can do that steps. First of all set the auto level, centering, bubbling and boxing. Now you can see that how to set your auto levels, same like that. Viewers, now you can find the slope of the roads, and before the calculation of that you can do required that three types of levels. First of all, you should be take a level in left side. You can see that the road of structures. Then you can set the auto levels here. Then keep a stop from here in left sides and take shots. The left side reading is 1.71 meters. Now you can take a shot in right side. Okay. Now you can see that the roads, and you can take right side levels. Set by auto level here and keep that stop in the right side of the roads and take shots. The right side level is reading that 1.251 meters. Okay, now you can to calculate the easy, then how you can calculate the slope by auto levels. Now first of all you can see the slope is equal to first reading minus second reading plus 100, okay, divide by, okay, and the length of roads. That's you can require that all. Then the reading after you can find the slope and by the auto level. Now for the value in upper formulas, we have the first reading is there 1.71 meters, second reading is 1.251 multiplied by 100 divided by the length of roads. We have the length of road is 4 meters. Now you can to calculate that all values, then you can find that the slope is equal to 1 over 8. 8 to become a value from and slope minus 2% at the slope of that roads. That is so many easy methods. Then you can to find to the slope of roads by the auto levels.